PowerSoft Video Converter Studio Converter. On this review, watch before using. Most people get video converters wrong. They think all tools are slow or low quality. The surprising truth about a PowerSoft Video Converter Studio is that it's fast, versatile, and capable of converting, editing, and compressing videos in one platform, and you won't believe how many formats it supports. Here's how it works. A PowerSoft allows conversion between hundreds of video and audio formats, including MP4, AVI, MOV, MP3, and more. It also supports batch conversion, trimming, cropping, and adding watermarks or subtitles. The interface is user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners. For example, a content creator can convert 10 high-definition videos to different formats, adjust resolution, and add subtitles in under an hour. Most people get this wrong. They assume complex converters require technical skills, but a PowerSoft keeps everything intuitive and fast. Additional features include video compression, GPU acceleration for faster processing, and direct sharing to social media platforms. Users praise its speed, reliability, and all-in-one functionality. However, there are considerations. Some advanced editing features may require premium subscriptions, and large video files can take time depending on system performance. Most people assume video converters are only for file format changes. This tool also serves as a lightweight editor. In conclusion, PowerSoft Video Converter Studio is ideal for content creators, educators, and anyone needing fast, reliable video conversion with added editing capabilities. Subscribe for more honest reviews of video and multimedia software.